Struggling to get some shut-eye? Your nervous system might be the culprit. Today, I'm sharing 4 simple tips to help fix your nervous system and finally get the sleep you deserve. First up, cut back on caffeine and other stimulants like tea. They may give you a quick boost, but they wreak havoc on your sleep cycle. Instead, opt for water or herbal teas. Next, create a bedtime ritual with relaxing activities. Listen to some calm music or read a light book. This helps your mind wind down and prepares your body for sleep. Tip number 3, stick to a consistent sleep schedule. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. And please, no scrolling on your phone in bed. The blue light messes with your melatonin levels. Lastly, incorporate moderate exercise into your daily routine. Activities like swimming, cycling, or jogging are fantastic. They boost your mood and help regulate your sleep patterns. Remember, consistent sleep is crucial for a healthy nervous system. So try these tips and say goodbye to sleepless nights. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more life-changing tips. Sweet dreams.